So what you have to be careful with is not overstretching, and you don't want to pull it so that you see the fabric underneath. So I place that on top, and as I don't use pins, that is my pin.
That's so all my really careful.
That's, well, no, because it stops when it comes to the presser foot. I've never yet, touch wood, sewn my finger, the sewing machine needle through my finger. That would be good, wouldn't it, if I do it today?
Okay,
so you never say never.
The no pin technique.
Yeah, so I'm putting my finger on there and that holds it into place. That's all my right hand is doing. And then the left hand is managing this bulk. So I just divide it normally by just running my finger through it, just so it's not one big mass. And it's also making sure that the seam allowance there are meeting. And then it's the pivot around which the curve spins.
Okay.
So remember I said to you, it's just straight stitching.
Right.
I'm not actually steering, I'm just pinning it down and then it spins around. And then depending on what size curve I'm sewing, I change this grip. So if I'm sewing a little curve, I've got a small grip. If I sew in a big curve, I've got a big grip. So shifting the fabrics over so the seam allowances match, and then grip it like that, and then I'm sewing straight and it just pivots around my hand.